Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get audio files from YouTube. We'll immediately dive into the process, guiding you through the steps to extract audio from your favorite videos. It's important to use trusted methods to ensure both quality and safety. We'll cover the essential tools and techniques, making the entire process straightforward and efficient for everyone. Get ready to learn how to easily convert video content into audio. Choosing the right tool is crucial for a smooth experience. You have options ranging from convenient online converters to more robust desktop applications. Consider factors like the audio formats supported, such as MP3 or WAV, and how quickly the tool processes your requests. Some tools offer advanced features, while others prioritize simplicity. We'll help you identify the best fit for your specific needs, ensuring a high-quality audio output. Let's walk through the simple steps to get your audio. Begin by copying the YouTube video's URL directly from your web browser's address bar. Then, paste this link into the designated field within your chosen audio extraction tool. Select your desired audio format, such as MP3, and adjust the quality settings, perhaps to 192 kilobits per second. With a click, the conversion starts, and your audio file will be ready for download in moments. To ensure the best experience, remember a few key practices. Always be mindful of copyright and fair use principles when downloading content. For the highest audio fidelity, select a higher bitrate, such as 320 kilobits per second, if available. A stable internet connection will significantly speed up your downloads. Lastly, take a moment to organize your new audio files, making them easy to find and enjoy whenever you wish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.